Hi, welcome to the Hard Reset channel. In this episode, I will show you the ports and buttons of the Samsung A16. Let's start with the right edge of our device. Here, on this raised part of our frame, we will find the volume up button and the volume down button of our device. Below is the power button, which also serves as our fingerprint scanner. If we add a fingerprint to this phone, we will be able to scan our finger at the same time we turn on our device here. At the bottom of our device, we will find a small hole, which is the microphone of our phone. Next to it, there will be the charging port. This is a USB Type-C port, and we use it to charge the phone or transfer files. Next to it, this elongated opening is the speaker of our device. On the left edge of our phone, there is nothing except for the slot, or rather the tray, for the SIM card. We push the SIM card pin into this hole to eject the tray, and then we insert our SIM card here. Then we insert the tray back in here and everything works. On the top of our phone, there is one hole, which is also the microphone of our phone. When we move to the display side, above the selfie camera, there is also the device's speaker for phone calls. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That's all from me. I'm signing off. Bye.